I am dressed like a carrot. So I'll put the knife down so I look less threatening and you don't get scared after watching this video. We are making super speedy, simple, sexy, sophisticated, sumptuous, scrummy, sublime, sensual carrot soup. Be excited, it is so easy and so good for you. Good news, if you're a vegetarian or vegan, ooh, Ruth is dancing from behind the camera. This recipe will suit you. Hallelujah for that. Should we get cooking? Okay then. So for this recipe, what you will need is a blender. Now I'd like to introduce you. Sorry, I'm aware that you might get a slight gape of the side boob, but that's okay. More views. What we have here is a family heirloom. This Magimix is 32 years old. It is almost as old as Delia's first cooking show. That's right, and it's still going. It's been taped up in a few places. All of our ingredients are gonna go into Maggie. We're gonna blitz them up into a lovely textured but relatively smooth soup. And then we transfer into the pot, warm it through, Bob's your uncle, Maggie's your aunt, and you've got yourself a gorgeous soup. It's getting colder, the time is right, treat yourself. I'm gonna go in with 3 carrots, lop off the top and bottom, keep the skins on. So many nutrients in the skin, so keep the skin on and just dice it up to make it a little bit easier for them. In we go. And just because I know how she works, we're going to give her a little chance to rustle through these quickly. Ignore the tape. So we're going to go in with some celery, just snap off the edge. Oh, that did not work at all. Snap it, pull the strings out, and again, little rough dice into there. Lovely. Now we're going to hit it up with some flavour. Some like possibly unexpected flavours for your carrot soup. Ginger. Whilst we have a soup that is so rich in antioxidants and feel-good nutrients, ginger is part of that family and we want to just invigorate ourselves. So let's just peel it with a teaspoon because that is always the easiest way to do it. And then I'm just going to grate in about a teaspoon's worth, maybe a little bit more. I love the heat that this gives to this as well. Cayenne pepper here, mimicking that heat that we've got and also adding to the colour of it as well because you eat with your eyes, so let's get a bit of vibrancy in there. We're also going to go in there with some turmeric. Now turmeric is lovely and aromatic, it's got kind of orangey flavours, bitter, earthy flavours, and again that colour works like saffron. A little pinch of salt. And a pinch of pepper. Now, slightly strange thing that you always think you serve alongside your soup, but actually we're going to pop it into our soup just to help to really thicken it. Nice just bloomer bread that I'm going to tear up and pop in there as well. Help to bind all of your ingredients into a lovely smooth soup. To add some creaminess, we're going to go in with some yogurt. Now, depending on your dietary preferences, you can go for some soy yogurt, you can even go for some sour cream. Anything just to help, again, smooth it out and create that lovely bit of creaminess to it, but with a little bit of acidity, because your carrot's so sweet, we want to balance it. So I'm going to go in with a nice generous tablespoon of soya yogurt so that Ruth can eat it. Yay! Bloom. And then finally, I've got 200 mils of vegetable stock. There you go. Let's lock her in, switch her on. Got to find your position and off we go. So what you've got here is a gorgeous, chunky, choppy soup mixture. Now this is going to go into our pan to be heated. Now this is your preference point now. If you want to, you are more than welcome to strain this off a little bit or get it into it. Oh, Maggie's got a leak. If you want a really smooth soup, obviously keep it blitzing, or maybe you've got a more powerful one, good luck, than Maggie, then, you know, by all means, go for it. Otherwise, you can strain it off, or as I like it, I'm going to keep it to that lovely level of texture and a little bit of bite to it. It will smooth out as you start heating it, but you will also be able to add some more liquid if you want it a bit looser. Right, and time to serve. Yes. I'll let you in on the secrets of this filming lark. We're going to get a picture of this one, so I'm going to dunk out the pan. Get in there. So hot. But so delicious. The warmth of that is crazy. If you like this recipe, then why not subscribe? I'm here every single Tuesday cooking more for you. If you want to suggest a recipe, please get in those comment box. Fancy giving a thumbs up, do that too. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. Mwah. It's got a kick.